Hi guys, this is Vincent from Wonders of London. Now I am on Great Sutton Street in Islington, London, and as you can see, lots of works are going on in London. They keep building stuff and building and building, but I thought I'd show you something quite interesting because a lot of times when they're doing building works on the boards that you see over there, they do put street art and graffiti, so I thought it'd be nice to have a look at some of this phenomenal street art in Islington. So we've got some alien creatures going past over there. Then we've got a couple of skeletons just here. And it is just amazing the talent people have to be able to do all of this kind of street art and this art. Pure art, I do think this is. And there we've got a phenomenal piece. Reminds me of the Hulk. It's not, of course, the Hulk, but that's the first thing that pops to mind when I see it. But of course, we've got the exposed brain over there, and it is just a phenomenal work of art. And if you are wondering where I am, I will just show you the street sign over there, Great Sutton Street in the London borough of Islington. And we can continue just having a look at the street art over here, because it is simply phenomenal. Now on this section I can't access the road, so we have to look at the street art from a different angle, but it is still fantastic, especially as we get the flowers coming in over here. Have a look at this beauty. Got so much fantastic stuff in London and a lot of phenomenal street art, as you can see just over here in Islington. And we have arrived at one of the famous streets of London, which of course is Old Street, just over there in the city of London. Thanks so much for joining us. I do hope you enjoyed that video, and have a lovely morning, afternoon, evening, etc. wherever you are. Bye.